Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we are about to discuss how to change Instagram account ownership. This is going to be the updated 2024 method, so make sure to stick till the end so you can have a better idea about the whole situation and the process, of course. So now first of all, you can do that on your browser as well, or you can choose to do it on your cell phone device. So now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that since it is going to be really helping us out. Okay, so first of all, what are we going to do is here, as you can see onto my screen, if I simply open Instagram, you will be having this particular screen in front of us. So you need to click on these hamburger icon from the top right, and then you're going to be simply heading over to select password and security after getting into the account center. Once we are there, you can see we are in account center. We have password and security. Now we need to head over to the very first option, as I discussed already. Then you need to go to two-factor authentication and head back to the linked account option. You can see from there, if you scroll down, you will be having the orders and payment section. Once you head over to that, you need to click on edit profile and scroll down to your personal information. You can update the contact information on the file, remove the phone number, and edit the email reflect the new owner's email address. What this is going to be doing, that it is going to be showing that this account belongs to that particular new owner, and that's how you will be able to transfer your account. If you have any confusions, let us know in the comments and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. See you guys around in the next video.